woke up at 3 a.m. to two people moaning it up somewhere. Holy that was so annoying. Thank God I brought my AirPods with me to like mute it out. Dude, I woke up to like and I was like, what the is that? I'm like, who the was that a walrus? Who the is that? And like I maybe listened for like another 30 seconds. I was like, oh, that's two people doing it. Yeah, you want to repeat it? I got so annoyed.